Keeping your home clean takes a substantial amount of effort and should not be overlooked either, as you have to spend your valuable time on it, so why not have a robotic vacuum device that does it for you automatically? Well, sure, but the market is full of such robots with so many features to look at, and also it needs to suit your budget as well. So today, we will show you the top 10 best robotic vacuum cleaners that are packed with smart features and intelligent enough to take care of your entire house on its own. So without any further ado, let's get started. No more dust, no more manual disposal. Introducing the Neabot Q11, a 3-in-1 intelligent robot vacuum with a mop that lifts the AI obstacle avoidance technology to a whole new level. This robot features 4 advanced beam lidars to have all-around navigation and 3D intelligent mapping to clean your home in an optimized way. With ultra-strong 4000 Pascal suction power and a large 300mm water tank, this robot vacuums, sweeps, and mops your dirty floors and carpets accordingly. It features built-in 4 anti-drop sensors to identify cliff instantly, while the cutting-edge DTOF detection technology recognizes obstacles as low as 0.4 inches to go and clean around. Thanks to the Neabot mobile app, you can set no-go zones in your home and get push notifications while you are away. Another cool feature is the self-emptying dustbin and charging base. And with a 2.5-liter oversized dust bag, it auto-seals for you so that your hands would remain clean just like your home. Forget about vacuuming for up to a month and get your hands on the Shark IQ XL, a robotic vacuum cleaner that features advanced navigation mapping, multi-surface brush roll, and more to clean out your home. This robot uses IQ navigation to clean your home step by step and then drills into each room to ensure the whole house is covered. With its multi-surface brush roll, it pulls in all kinds of dirt and debris from carpets and floors, even your pet's hairs, dander, and pet allergens. Using the Shark Clean app or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, you can schedule whole home cleaning or target specific rooms or areas to clean right now. And after each cleaning session, your robot vacuum automatically empties into a backless base, which holds up to a massive 45 days of dirt and debris, making this robot a worthwhile choice to grab indeed. Now get to know Lucy, the first AI home robot from Trifo that intelligently analyzes and learns about the environment to present you a clean home every time. The uniqueness of Lucy is its onboard 1080p HDR color camera, time-of-flight depth sensor, and surface-emitting laser, which ensures highly accurate distance mapping, 3D imaging, and object scanning day or night doesn't matter. Moreover, its intelligent decision-making abilities enable the robot to detect and avoid small objects down to 1 inch, meaning it will find the best cleaning route of your home. Another cool feature is the automatic room naming, which will let you set up different cleaning schedules in different rooms, like bedrooms on Monday or dining space on Sunday. Designed for both mopping and cleaning, its beefy 3000 Pascal suction power handles crumbs, pet hair, and larger dirt particles so well that it's gonna make your home as shiny as new. Besides, the 5200 mAh battery keeps runtime up to 120 minutes for a one-go cleaning. With the Trifo Home mobile app, you can manage the map, check the real-time video, set schedules, adjust suction power, and much more. Not only that, but Lucy is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, for which you can command her just with your voice as well. Overall, the Lucy from Trifo is an excellent piece of engineering, and it's gonna make your home cleaning effortless for sure. sweep away the mess and remove dust, dirt, and crumbs on your floors with the Tesvor, an affordable robotic vacuum cleaner that is well known for ultra-long runtime and advanced cleaning patterns. With a high 4000 Pascal suction power, and by adopting innovative sub-clean technology, this vacuum effectively picks dirt and pet hairs from the floor and low-pile carpets. Packed with a super large 5200 mAh battery capacity, you will get up to 150 minutes of constant runtime in order to make your entire room clean with just one go. It's got a dual anti-collision system sensor that keeps your robot, furniture, and walls away from scratches, while the smart systematic movement S-shaped cleaning pattern gives a flawless and thorough cleaning every time. Moreover, you can control the robot using Alexa or Google Assistant, or you can use the mobile app to schedule and monitor cleaning sessions. In short, this is a fantastic robot vacuum cleaner that comes with almost any high-tech feature while offering an affordable price tag. WYZE is a US company based in Seattle, Washington that specializes in smart home products and wireless cameras. Now introducing its Robot Vacuum, which is another affordable option while packing a decent vacuum features inside. With 2100 Pascal decent suction power, it can clean the embedded dust, dirt, crumbs, and pet hairs from hardwood floors to high-piled carpets. The robot uses precision LiDAR mapping to scan any room very quickly and create a floor plan that you can see, edit, and save immediately. It also features 7 sensors and a gyroscope to map your home, navigate around obstacles, avoid accidental falls, and automatically return to its base station after finishing its 110 minutes of service. Overall, the WYZE Robot Vacuum is an affordable option to get, and you won't regret it after purchasing. With a top-to-bottom height of just 2.85 inches, the Anker EUFY Robovac 30C Max Robot Vacuum is designed to go under all types of furniture for cleaning out every corner of your home. EUFY offers a suction power of 2000 Pascal and 3 brushes in order to pull, lift, and vacuum dirt to guarantee a thorough clean. Moreover, its 2nd Gen Boost IQ technology automatically increases its suction strength within 1.5 seconds whenever additional vacuuming strength is needed. This robot is aware of its surroundings due to the over 10 infrared sensors and drop sensing technology, while the dual Hall sensors detect the boundary strips you set for, ensuring it only cleans the areas required. Utilizing EUFY Home smartphone application, Alexa, and Google Assistant voice control services, it simplifies your vacuuming tasks and makes it a great choice to grab. Designed specially to handle the pet hairs and other dust particles of your home, the Bissell Spinwave is a 2-in-1 wet mop and dry robot vacuum cleaner that gives your home a shiny look every time. With up to 1500 Pascal suction power, its triple action cleaning system utilizes dual spinning edge brushes to clean debris on low-piled carpets, area rugs, and hard floors with ease. It also has rotating mop pads that scrub floors, including wood, tile, linoleum, and other sealed hard floors, while the specially formulated solution restores your floor's natural shine like new. Additionally, the soft surface avoidance sensor automatically steers the mop away from carpets, so you won't have to worry about wet carpets anymore. Providing up to 130 minutes of runtime, its row-by-row navigation and cleaning pattern will give you an optimized and efficient coverage area every time. Other than that, it's got cliff detection to avoid stairs fall off, automatic docking for self-recharging, and a Bissell Connect app that lets you start, stop, and schedule cleaning cycles from anywhere. Now meet the Samsung JetBot 90 AI Plus, a powerful robot vacuum that also serves as a home security camera to keep your home clean as well as protected. It boasts high-end bells and whistles, including a LiDAR sensor for mapping efficient cleaning routes and an AI-based optical avoidance technology to keep itself and your furniture out of harm's way. Furthermore, it stores dust, dirt, and hair inside a dust bag through its filtration system that traps 99.99% of pollutants and prevents them from being released back into the environment. And when dust capacity reaches its maximum, the JetBot 90 has the ability to empty its own dustbin and then continues to keep your house looking neat and tidy. Other than using the Samsung SmartThings app to schedule cleaning sessions and set up no-go zones, you will also be able to access its integrated camera to keep an eye on your home remotely. Engineered to offer advanced smart features to efficiently clean your home, the Ecovacs Dee N8 Pro Plus is a revolutionized robot vacuum that's got everything you would need and makes it understandable about its price tag. With up to 2600 Pascal suction power, this vacuum captures dirt and dust stuck deep in the floors or embedded in carpets. Not only that, but it also doubles the suction power when vacuuming hard carpets and uses ultrasonic sensors when mopping hard floors. The laser-based 3D technology in this robot detects and avoids objects such as cables, slippers, and pet mess in order to help you avoid picking up the robot in the middle of your work. Offering up to 110 minutes of runtime, its LiDAR navigation and DTOF detection sensors create optimized cleaning routes to ensure the fastest and most efficient cleaning. In addition, the robot automatically empties its dustbin after cleaning, and the station's disposable dust bag can hold up to 30 days worth of dirt and debris, so you won't need to change it too often. Other than that, it has also got Google Assistant or Alexa voice command features and the Ecovacs mobile app to create boundaries, label rooms, and much more, making this robot a worthwhile choice to grab indeed. iRobot Corporation is a well-known American technology company that has been designing and building consumer robots since 1990. Now get introduced with its Rooma S9 Plus, the overall best value for money robotic vacuum that outshines all the cleaners on the market. Using the Power Boost technology and a 3-stage superior cleaning system, this robot's 40 times suction power can lift, loosen, and eliminate deep within your carpet all kinds of debris and pet hair. Its 30% wider dual rubber brushes won't get tangled in pet hair, and its specialized corner brush ensures deep cleaning along edges and in corners. The navigation system of this robot is outstanding. It uses V-Slam technology that helps the robot to learn the layout of your home and builds personal smart maps. So, from your kitchen to your living room, it will know where and when to clean. Another cool feature is the clean-based automatic dirt disposal system that allows the Roomba to empty itself for up to 60 days, making you forget how to dump dirt and dust for a very long time. Other than that, it also has Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa voice command feature and offers an iRobot home app with which you can tweak various advanced settings on the go. Overall, if you want the best robot vacuum that cleans every corner of your home, then do check out the iRobot Rooma S9 Plus. So that was our list of the top 10 best robotic vacuum cleaners just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.